Alright, let's go over these problems. The first one here, the solution to 5y plus 8 equals 3y plus 20 is, alright, give it a try. Here it is. 5y plus 8 equals 3y plus 20. We're looking for y. We'd like to isolate y on one side, so let's get rid of the 3y. Subtract 3y from both sides. You're going to get 2y plus 8 equal to 20. Get rid of the 8, subtract 8 from both sides. So 2y equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2 to get y by itself. So y equal to 6. And that should be the answer. For the second one, a line passes through the point 4, negative 1 and has slope negative 1/2. What is its equation? What's the equation of this line? So what we have here, what's given? Point, we have a slope. So you can use, it will be easier if I use the point slope formula, which is a y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. What is x1 and y1? x1 is 4, y1 is negative 1. That's the point. x1, y1 is the point. What's m? M is the slope. So let's substitute for the point and the slope. So it will be y minus negative 1, y plus 1 equals the slope, negative 1/2, x minus 4, x minus 4. And if I get rid of the parentheses, use the derivative property on the right side, it will be negative 1/2 x, negative times negative is a positive, 1/2 times 4 is 2. And let's get rid of that one on the left side. So I need y by itself, subtract 1 from both sides, plus 1, and that should be the answer A, choice A. For the third one, we have the radius of a circle is 5 inches. What is the circumference? Alright, give it a try. Here it is. So we're looking for the circumference. What is the circumference? 2 pi r. And r is the radius. We have the radius. The radius is 5. So we're going to substitute for the radius 5, and that it will be 10 pi. So the circumference is 10 pi, choice A. And the next one, number 4. Here is number 4. For this one, what we looking for, right? They said a bag contains red and blue marbles in a ratio of 5 to 7. After removing 6 blue marbles, the probability of drawing a blue marble from the bag becomes 1/2. How many marbles were originally in the bag? So the ratio between the red and the blue is 5 to 7. So from here we can say that the red is 5n and the blue in this case will be 7n, right? N is positive integer. So what is the total? The total will be the red plus the blue, which is 12n, right? But now, after removing 6 blue marble, the red still 5n, but the blue it will be 7n minus 6. What is the total? The total in this case, it will be 5n plus 7n minus 6, which is 12n minus 6. Now, after removing the 6 blue, the probability of drawing a blue marble is 1/2. The probability, what's probability? the number of favorable, which is the blue, and the blue we said 7n minus 6 over the total number of outcome. What is the total number of outcome now? Is 12n minus 6, right? So the probability is 1/2. So this ratio is equal to 1/2. 1/2 equals 7n minus 6 over 12n minus 6. If you cross multiply, what you're gonna get? 1 times 12n minus 6 is 12n minus 6, and 2 times 7n minus 6, that's gonna give us what? 14n minus 12. And now we're looking for n, right? So if you isolate n on one side, I am gonna subtract 14n from both sides, get negative 2n minus 6 equal negative 12. Add 6 to both sides, negative 2n equal to negative 6. So if I divide both sides by negative 2, I get n equal positive 3. So what is the total number of marble originally? The total number of marble at the beginning, it was 12n. So the answer it will be the original total equal to 12n, which is 12 times 3 is 36. So our answer here is 36, which is choice D. And let's go to the next one, which is this one. You can give it a try. If f of x equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 4, what is f of 3? So f of 3, it will be 2 times, I'm going to replace x with 3, plus 3 times 3, minus 4, and that's going to give you 2 times 9, 2 times 9, plus 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4, I have 18, plus 9, minus 4, so our answer is 27 minus 4 is 23. So the final answer is 23, choice C. And for the last problem here, number 6, the area of a triangle is 24 square inches and its base is 8 inches. What is the height? So we're looking for the height. We have the base and we have the area and we're looking for the height. Area equal to 24 square inches. So we know the area of triangle equal what? Half times the base multiplied by the height. We have 24, that is the area, equal half multiplied by the base, which is 8, multiplied by the height. And from this equation we can find the height. So 24 equal, what's half times 8? That is 4. So 4h. So to find h, to find the height, all you have to do is just divide both sides by 4. You're going to get 6 equal to the height. So the height here is 6 inches, which is choice C. And that was the last one.